Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Shelter in Place. I want to focus on the positive, lots of negative news. I want to be able to bring you the things that I see that look interesting on the positive side. Today I got a report from Vanguard from Joe Davis, who's the chief global economist, and he's predicting a sharp decline but a very sharp recovery. And two things that he mentions that I think are important. They keep a 10-year model for what they think stocks should be fair value. And right now the market just came back to their 10-year average, so they feel that right now is fair value. It's likely, as usual, we'll go past that and become undervalued. And I think that's where we have some opportunity to accumulate some really good stocks. But also he talked about this being possibly the shortest recovery, shortest recession in history. And I think that has a lot to do with the fact that we have this massive stimulus programs that are going on. In 2008, we learned a lot about how to bring the economy back, lowering interest rates, quantitative easing, different spending programs that Congress does, and this is happening around the world. And I think we're seeing the economists and what have you see what's the possible from those, just looking back at what happened in 2008, especially since we don't have some of the same problems we had then with the banks and whatnot. So that's my message for the day. I will try to attach this report so that you can see it also, and I hope everybody is keeping healthy and safe, and I'll continue to watch over the assets and let you know how it's going.